In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox, high ping, network lag, and packet loss. Now the first thing that I suggest for the ping part, what you can do is you can download BT Roblox. And from in here, what you want to do is to simply find it on Google, add it to your Chrome. And once you see this text over here, it means you have it installed. After that, you want to come up here, select it, scroll down and go to advanced, click on this one and choose ping. Then you can close it down, restart your browser. And then in here, you want to find the game that you want to play. Now let's just say I want to play this one. You're going to scroll down until you find the servers. And in here, you should be able to see the ping thanks to the BT Roblox. So you just want to find the one with the best ping. In this case, it will be this one for me. And you want to join that one. Now, after that, if you're having trouble, which is not high ping, but it's network lag and stuff like that, what you can do is you can come here and search for View Network Connections, right click on your internet, disable, and then right click enable. After that, go to Properties, find Internet Protocol version 4, use the following and type 8.88.88.8844. Press OK and then go off of this. After that, what I suggest you do is you come here and you search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. Once you have this open, you want to type ipconfig space /flush DNS. Once you've done that, type netsh winsock reset, just like this. Press enter and then you can close it down. After that, I suggest you go to network reset, open it, reset now, and restart your PC. After all of that, that should hopefully fix the issue. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.